In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can post a video using Creator Studio and get engagement and much views. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, accept greetings, whatever time this video gets to you. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how you can post a video on your page. Yeah, there are some techniques that you need to know when you want to post video on your page, and today I'm going to show you. But before we get into the video, please, if you're new to this channel, make sure you support the channel by liking, commenting and sharing. Yeah, that helps the page a lot. Watch this video to the end. Yeah, I want you to watch the video to the end, because after watching the video you're going to have a change of mindset. Let's get straight into the video. So what you do is you get into your page. First you click on your page. This is my page, as we all know, AMP TV. I click here like this and my page is going to open. Be aware, you're going to see somewhere here that posts or photos or video. This one here like this. Please, this is not how you post video on your business page. You don't post video directly. Like for example, if I want to post a video here, I'll just simply go here and I select where I want to take my video. I go to YouTube download and I select any video that I want to post, and I just boom, I'm done. Like this one here, I can post like this. It's cool. But as a business page and you want to get more engagement and views, you don't post video using this channel. So I'm going to take you directly to how you post your video on your page. So we are going to cancel this one, cancel, discard, right? Discard. So now you are on your page. For example, this is my page and I want to post video here now. So you simply search for what they call Creator Studio. Yeah, you go on your left here like this, where you see page, manage page, where you see this manage page like this, right? You just go down and you're going to see somewhere the right Creator Studio. You see here, after manage page you're going to see home. After home you have news feed. After news feed you have messenger tools. After messenger tools, subscription, event, resources and tools, Creator Studio. This one there here like this one, Creator Studio. You click on Creator Studio here like this and it is going to open like the one you see here like this. Very easy. This is how you post video, or you can post a video and get much engagement and more views. So once you are in Creator Studio here like this, you're going to see home page. Yeah, in your Creator Studio, home, notification, inside, pre-publish, publish, file manager, tools, content, library, inbox, monetization, right, and the rest. All of this you're going to see at your left of your screen if you're using a computer. But that is not where we are going to click to post our video. You just simply go slide right a little bit. You're going to see create reel, upload a video here like this. You see upload a video. You click here once, poop, you're going to see single video. You want to post single video, multi-video, or post a video across pages. If you have many pages, you can still click this one. But for this video, for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using single video. You click on this one here, single video. Poop. When you click here, immediately you see all of my videos that maybe. This is where I usually collect my files to post. So once I click here like this, for example, I take this 45 and I click upload. It's going to upload like this. You see, right? This is how it is going to upload. Be very careful. Your page is going to open like this. Your Creator Studio is going to open like this. You are going to see post detail. Below post detail, you're going to see video title. You're going to put a video title. For example, I want to put this title, the title of this video, as Creator Studio. Yeah, Creator Studio like this, right? Okay, for example, this is the title of the video. Then you go straight to description. It is very important you put your description, because this is what helps people to know or tell Facebook that this is what my video is all about, and Facebook is going to share it to the right personalities. Yeah, so you just put something like this video will show you how you can create or you can post video using Creator Studio. You just type it there. This video will show you how you can post video using Creator Studio. That is it. And if you are to put your thumbnail, what you see here, it is the picture that you see in front of the video of your screen. So it is very important because that is what captivate the audience here. That is what captivate the viewer. If you put a captivating thumbnail, your video is going to get more clicks and engagement, as well as the views are going to rise as well. So please make sure you create your thumbnail. If you want to upload a thumbnail, you come and upload image. You see here, you upload image and they are going to ask you where do you want to take your image. For this one, for example, we want to put our thumbnail here like this. I have a couple of thumbnails here that we can use. Excuse me a second, let me just search for where we can get the thumbnail. Yeah, come to download. You see we have a lot of thumbnails here. So I just click, for example, I just take this one with my face, this one. Okay, I put here, you see, and this is the thumbnail that you're going to see in front of the video. But if you don't want to use this one, you can as well choose from the video. We choose from suggested video. You're going to see this is the one Facebook suggests to you in regards to the video that we just uploaded. You see, you can choose any of this picture here. If you want to choose this one, this is what is going to be your thumbnail. If you want to choose this one, this is what is going to be your thumbnail. So it is up to you which one you want to choose. But for me, I always like to upload my own thumbnail. Like I go use Photoshop to edit my video, my pictures, and make it a little bit captivating, then I upload. So once you're done with your thumbnail, you move straight to next. This one you see here, you click next and it is going to ask you caption. Make sure you upload caption. If you're speaking in English like the way I'm speaking, please always make sure you activate what you call caption, which is going to help you to put subtitle. Yeah, if you want your content to be consumed worldwide, please make sure you enable your caption so that you put your thumbnail. If I click here, you see that my caption is generating. Yeah, it is generating my caption and my subtitle. So when you see, it is going to generate from 0% to 100%. If you see shows green, it means the language, my words are clear for Facebook to produce a subtitle. So we are just going to wait a second here to see what the Facebook system will show us. So let's just wait. It's already 72, 75, 77, 80% and 85%. It's trying to generate the subtitle. Yeah, so we are done in about a second. We are going to be done. So 95, 96, and let's see what is going to come up here. So 95, and it's generating. That is how. So if your video is long, so it's going to take a little bit long also to generate your subtitle. So that is it. Why is it taking so much time? It's still generating. Let's just wait and see what is up to. If it appears green, it means the words that I use in the video is okay, and Facebook can translate. Okay, it is done. You see, automatically generate high. It means the tendency for Facebook to produce a subtitle for this video is very high. You see, review and everything is green. If your own show yellow, please make sure you deactivate the subtitle. You can deactivate it, because if it shows yellow and your page is monetizing, they will not monetize the video because you have clicked on something that is not recognized by the Facebook robot. So please, if your own show yellow, make sure you deactivate it here. You can just click here, and you deactivate it. So for this one, it's okay because it shows green. It means the words can be picked by the robot. So you just click done. So for that one, that is it for it. And if you want to go to video optimization, this one is very technical. It is going to like resize the video to be 16 by 9, and if you don't want to do that, this one I will not recommend. If you shoot your video on 1920 multiply 1080, it's cool. So just post it that way. So that is it. You go to next, and this is how you you go. And if you want to schedule the video, you can see publish now. If I click here, the video is going to publish. If I want to schedule the video, like I want the video to publish in about 4 or 5 hours, I'm just going to select my date here. I click my date when I want the video to publish. Then I take my time, I write my time. For example, I want the video to publish at 9 p.m. I just click 9:00, you see, and I click PM here. It is going to change to PM. You see, it means I want my video to publish at 17 September 2022 at 9 p.m. Asian time. You see, for your own time, you're going to see the time that you are here. So you click schedule, and when you click schedule, that is all. Your video is going to schedule and ready for posting. So very easy. That is how you can use your browser to post video and you get more engagement. So that is it for today. If you have any inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact me in my inbox. Like I always say, please, if you like what I'm doing, you can support me by either buying me stars. Yeah, very important. When you buy me stars, it really motivates me. And Facebook these days is very difficult to run, so I also need energy. If you buy me stars, it's going to motivate me. And please don't also forget to like, comment and share the video. Please like, comment and share the video, because that is what helps the video to go more viral and many people are going to gain from the video. That is it, and I wish you a good day and bye bye.
I beg, now we don't wait and share like just like, comment. I just beg you, comment now. Why you do that? You start. You want to go?